Transform your website visitors into loyal subscribers by creating an irresistible lead magnet right within WordPress. First, let's find the perfect tool. We'll head to Plugins and then Add New. Search for lead magnet and you'll find several excellent options for this tutorial. We'll choose a popular and user-friendly plugin. Click Install now and then Activate to get our lead magnet generator up and running. Now, navigate to the plugins section and let's create our first lead magnet. We'll give it a descriptive name, perhaps your ultimate guide to your niche. Here, we'll enter a compelling title and a brief, enticing description that clearly explains the value your free offer provides. Next, upload your freebie. This could be an ebook, checklist, template, or exclusive video. Make sure it's in a common format, like PDF. Now, configure the opt-in form. Decide what information you need from your leads. Typically name and email are sufficient. Customize the look and feel of your opt-in form to match your brand. You want it to be visually appealing and easy to understand. Finally, we'll place this lead magnet form on your website. You can do this by pasting a shortcode into a page or post, or by using the plugin's dedicated block. And there you have it, an enticing free offer designed to capture attention and build your email list, one valuable lead at a time.